Oh, now it's recording. Okay. Oh, what am I talking about? Oh, actually, I have a question. The question is, I got a fine the other day around here, and I'm just gonna go and film the location because I think I'm gonna challenge it, and I'm trying to challenge it, and kind of want your opinion too, you guys, any viewers. So I'll show you where it is. Now this is a shopping centre car park, of course. I was going to stand up, but the roof's pretty low. Might knock my head off. Imagine that, stand up, hit my head on one of those things, and there I go. It's going to stand up to adjust me bits. Can't do that there. Oh, here I can. Oh, the roof's a bit higher here. Right, so I came this way. I'll just do the exact path because the police did me for crossing a solid line, but this whole area is like a big car park zone, and I'm thinking, what do you mean crossed a solid line? What are you on about? And I just want to check those lines. I actually think it was just a line like this, like, you know, the turning lane, or maybe an island. It was just up here. Just put it on cruise. Yeah, it was just up here. Look, see, there's a lane there turning to my left, and I think the cars were all blocked here, and I just went over this line here and probably crossed that island a bit, and just to get around a car, and I think that's all I did. And like, police booked me for going over a solid line, and I know there's you know, with solid lines, if there's an obstruction on the road, and I know the English precedent is like that, if there's an obstruction on the road and it's safe to do so, you can go around, which, you know, makes sense. How many solid lines have you seen? And there's I don't know, a slow tractor, someone broken down or whatever, and are you telling me that because of a solid line, you're just going to sit there? No, you're not going to sit there. You're going to go around safely, if it's safe to do so. No cars coming. And I think when I did that, there weren't any cars close by. The car in front of me had just stopped, and I went over a line, and that's it. So what do you guys think? Should I challenge it? Well, I am challenging it, but what are your views? I thought it was petty. I've asked for the video. Apparently he recorded it. I've asked for the video because in the video I want to see if there were actually cars on the other side coming my way, how close was I to other cars, did I go around safely, and I'm sure I just went over the line a bit. Like, I didn't go hugely around, you know, because I wouldn't have to go hugely around. The car was just stopped there. All I had to do is just get around the car. So yeah, have you guys experienced something similar? Any tips on how I could challenge it? Should I go to court about it? I mean, I've got all my points. I haven't lost, in other words, I haven't lost any points. And this would mean I've lost 1 point. It's a 1 point deal. Because of the riding rules I stick to, my record's pretty good. But for me, it's a matter of principle. It's like, come on, mate. I thought it was petty. That's what I thought. It's very petty. And so, yeah, so should I challenge it? Should I leave it And the fines, and it's not exactly cheap, it's like $370 or something. And if you think I should go to court, do you think I could just go there on my own and just say, Your Honour, I apologise for what I did, but please consider, look at the video. I didn't cause any danger to anyone. According to English precedent, they have a precedent that if there's an obstruction and it's safe to do so, you can go around, Your Honour. I mean, if there's a tractor broken down in the middle of a country road and there's a solid line, are we saying that we can't cross the solid line? And we have to stay behind wait till the tractor gets moved off to be able to go past the truck. Is that what we're saying, Your Honour? Do you think I should challenge? Anyway, let me know your thoughts, tips, and see what I can do. Meanwhile, I'll focus on my filtering and let you go. Once I can press stop on the video. No, this car's going to stop before the tram or something. He's afraid to overtake the tram. He's going to overtake the tram, but not overtake the tram. He will overtake the tram now. Now that I'm going to overtake the tram, he's going to overtake the tram. And he's going to block me off. Going to use up 2 lanes? No, that's good. Alright, catch you later.